What is up, everybody? It is Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2006 Suzuki Boulevard M50. Take a quick walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. Let's just jump right into it. Start here in the back tire. As you can see, the back tire is in pretty nice shape. A lot of tread left on there. I'm going to call that maybe 80%. Definitely good to go for a while. Good for any kind of state inspection. A lot of miles left on that tire. Here in the rear, of course, you have your two turn signals, you have your tail light, you have your license plate mount there. There are some slight imperfections in this bike that I want to point out. One of the things that I'm going to start with is this, looks like this lens cap might have been taped on at one point. Looks like it's good to go now, but still some residue there. And we got some light chips here right along the edge of the rear fender. So know that they are there. The Suzuki badge got a little bit of fade there, but of course that's not hurting anybody. Here on the side you can see that this paint's in pretty nice shape. Got some light swirls in here. Just want to point those out. Chrome's pretty nice on this bike, including on the exhaust. Chrome is pretty good. There are some marks like right here and some light, and there's it's like a scratch that starts right here and kind of light mark coming back through. Other than that, they're in pretty nice shape. Bike sounds decent. If you ever wanted the high flow Filtro racing sticker, this is the bike for you. Of course, you have your passenger peg, you have your rider peg, your rear brake. As you can see, the side panel's in pretty nice shape. There's that. Coming up here on the tank, just little bits of dirt there. Got some little light chips right there, and right there. So that is that. Here's the rest of the tank. Got your Boulevard badge there. Try to get in here on the motor as much as I can. There's that. Of course, I have rear cleaner here. Got all that. We already saw that peg. Let's keep rolling around the front. Of course, it has a black wheel up front. There you can see your front brake. Keep spinning it around. You have your headlight up here. Put your two turn signals there. Put your front fender. Front fender's in pretty decent shape. There's all that. There's one mark. It's hard to see it from the camera. You can see kind of right there. There's that. There's your front tire. Front tire not quite as new as the back tire. Gonna call it maybe 40%. Other than that, it seems to be in decent shape. I think we passed inspection. There's your black front wheel from this side. I did forget to do the fork tubes. Let's look at those really quickly. Upper and lower fork tubes in nice shape. Similar shape on this side. There is that. Let's jump around to the other side of the bike. Here on the front of the tank, we've got a scratch right there, like a chip out of the paint. Along the badge here, it's all the paint in the badge kind of chipped out. And there's some white marks here next to the badge, as well as one right there. And then here on the motor, you can see all that. And the transmission coming back, it is a shaft drive, as you can see there. Got your rider peg, got your shifter, of course you have your kickstand, your side cover here, and you have your passenger peg. They're coming back. You can see the rear fender. Rear fender's in pretty decent shape. Again, the chrome's in nice shape. There's your helmet lock. Here's the seat. The seat's in good shape. All the seams are good to go. I don't have any stressed out seams or tears or anything like that. One little mark right there. I'm not even sure what caused that. The seat is in nice shape. We already saw these three little chips we did earlier on the side. One little mark right there. Coming up over, of course, you have your fuel cap, your gauge, So you have your clutch, controls, throttle, front brake. Turn on the ignition. See, there are 26,148 miles. There will be a few more than that after the test drive. Make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube if you're interested in this bike. Let's fire it up. Excuse my camera work, I gotta pull the clutch. Make sure the turn signal works. Your front signal there. Get your front signal on this side. Here's that tape residue I pointed out earlier. That turn signal is working. And there's your signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2006 Suzuki Boulevard M50. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you watch the test drive video on YouTube and check out the bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks so much for watching.